No more state income tax. Could Georgia become the next state to try to eliminate it as we head into a very intense election year right around the corner?
Former Senator David Perdue said this week he would push to get rid of it as he announced he is running for governor, but dropping it may not be as easy as it sounds. Doug Richards joined us here to explain. And Doug, this isn't exactly a novel proposal here.
It shows up as a novelty proposal in other states, and it's finally showing up with some heft here with Perdue proposing it. Proposals to eliminate the state income tax have gone nowhere in Georgia, and no lawmaker bothered to pitch it in the last legislative session. But watch out, an election year is coming.
My bold vision for our state is very simple. Completely eliminate the state income tax. It's time.
David Perdue dropped that in the middle of a campaign video released this week when he announced his plan to take on Governor Brian Kemp in next year's Republican primary. It is a radical proposal, says budget analyst Danny Canso.
We're not talking about a small fraction of the budget here or something that could easily be eliminated in any way. We're talking about literally the main source of revenue that's powered the state budget since the mid-20th century.
The state income tax is paid by wage earners and tallied up each year along with federal income taxes. The income tax is the largest of the state's revenue sources. It exceeds the money the state makes from the next four largest sources of revenue combined. It's also the main source of funding for Georgia's public education system, both K through 12 and its supplement for state colleges. It also funds state health care programs. Eliminate the state income tax, and lawmakers would either have to create new taxes to replace it or cut those popular programs.
There's very little fat in state government. All of these are core services for the most part.
So there are other states like Tennessee and Florida that don't have state income taxes. Both of those states have abundant tourism to make up for it. Canso says no state has relied on income tax revenue like Georgia has that has ever successfully repealed it.
Doug, do you think that could happen?
Short answer, no. But it's fun to talk about, especially if you're running for office.